In this video, we'll learn how to make money reselling on eBay. This guide explains the steps necessary to find profitable products, source items at low costs, and create effective listings to maximize your sales potential. Begin by navigating to the eBay website and signing into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Once signed in, use the search bar to look for products that are frequently sold on the platform. To refine your search, apply filters to show sold listings rather than active ones. This will give you insight into what items are in demand and provide valuable data on selling prices. After filtering your search results, compare the selling prices of these items with your potential buying costs. It is crucial to focus on products that not only have a consistent sales volume, but also offer reasonable profit margins. This research step is essential as it helps you identify which products are worth reselling and ensures you are making informed decisions. Next, start sourcing items at low costs. You can find potential products at thrift stores, clearance sales wholesalers, or various online marketplaces. As you shop, remember to calculate the total cost of each item, including shipping and fees, to maintain your profit margins. Inspect the condition of each product carefully before purchasing to avoid issues with returns later. It is advisable to start with small inventory sizes to minimize risk, especially when you are just beginning. Once you have sourced your items, it is time to list and optimize your listings on eBay. Begin by creating a new listing for each product. Use a clear title that accurately describes the item, followed by a detailed description to inform potential buyers. Upload high-quality photos that showcase the product clearly from multiple angles. Set competitive pricing based on the market research you conducted earlier, and choose appropriate shipping and return options to attract more buyers. Monitor your listings regularly and be prepared to adjust prices if necessary to stay competitive. This ongoing management is vital to maximizing the visibility of your products and increasing your sales potential. By following these steps, you can effectively build a successful reselling business on eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.